Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about the last part of the project, how to install and host osTicket locally on Ubuntu server. So today I will demonstrate how to create and respond to tickets. So to get started, I have to log in as a user in the support center. So I'll go ahead and click on open a new ticket, and so I'll log in as Valentino. If you can remember in the last video, we created a user by name Valentino. So I will just use the credentials for Valentino and then log in here. So then I'll go ahead and then select the health topic, and it's going to be password issues. And then I give a summary of the problem. And then I go ahead and give the details of the problem. So I'm just giving a detail here, and then I'll go ahead and click create ticket. So as you can see here, the ticket is already created. So I will now go ahead and then sign into the system as the help desk. So the help desk in this case is going to be Eliza John. So I will sign in as Eliza John. So I'm already in the agent panel, and I can see under the subject forgot password that was created by Valentino in just a moment ago. So I'll go ahead and click on forgot password. So as the agent, my responsibility here is to look at the priority level, and I see the nature of the problem, that the individual in this case forgot his password and then needs urgent attention. So I will go ahead and then upgrade the priority level from normal to emergency. Then click on update. And then I also have to look at how to assign this responsibility right now to one of the agents. So I click on where it says unassigned, that's assigned to, click on that and then select an agent, an IT technician that will handle this problem. So in this case, it's going to be McDonald. Alright, then I click on assign. And then I also have to upgrade the SLA plan by clicking on default SLA. So I click on that and then upgrade to severity level A, because this is an emergency. Click on update. So as you can see, this problem has already been assigned to McDonald. So I'll go ahead and then log out here and then log in as McDonald. So as McDonald, who is the IT technician, I can see that there's a user by the name of Valentino who's sending this ticket and showing that he has forgotten his password. So the first thing I will have to do is to respond to Valentino. So I'll have to click on the subject, forgot password, and then I'll go ahead and then generate a response. Okay, so is as the IT technician, McDonald have just responded to Valentino asking him to provide his email address. Is the main purpose is so that I can identify that he's actually the user. Okay, so all right, it is assumed that the user has already responded back to McDonald, so providing his email address, which has been verified. So in this case, what I will do now and take a look at the problem, and see that actually Valentino has actually lost his password. He cannot access the system to continue with his work. So it's my responsibility right now to reset the password for Valentino. So I'll go into the Active Directory to make sure this is done. So to do that, I'll just open the Active Directory. On the Server Manager, I have to click on Tools, go down to Active Directory, Users and Computers, and then expand the domain. And Valentino is a member of the sales group, so I'll have to click on the cells here, and I can see a user called Johnson Valentino. This actually proves that the email that he provided is correct. What I have to do here is to right click on the Johnson Valentino and then click on reset password. So I'll go ahead and then give type in a brand new password for Valentino. To confirm the password. So he says, you must change password as next login. So I just simply go ahead and click on there. Then I have to unlock the account because the account, he reported that the account is locked. So I have to click on unlock account. So as you can see, the password for Johnson Valentina has been changed. So since this has been fixed, I have to go back to Valentino and help you understand that the problem has been resolved. Okay. Okay, so this problem has been fixed. So right now, what I will do is to click on the status, and then change from open to resolved. So showing that the problem has been resolved, then I'll go ahead and then click on close. So the ticket has been administered and the problem has been resolved. So this is the end of this video showing how a user can create a ticket in the support center and how an agent can handle that ticket and resolve that issue. Thank you for watching this, and if you are interested in this video, please just go ahead and then click the like button and also subscribe. Thank you.